Our Project Search program is called Southwest Minnesota Project Search Avera. We are one of 9 Project Search programs in the state of Minnesota. This is the 8th year of the Project Search program, which started in the fall of 2012. Project Search is a high school transition program that provides job training and education leading to employment for students with disabilities. Project Search prepares youth between 18 and 21 years of age for entry-level jobs that pay competitive wages. Workforce immersion is key to the program's success. The interns spend the entire day at Southwest Minnesota Project Search from 8:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. for 9 months, the equivalent of a full school year, from September to May. There are 3 10-week unpaid internships throughout the 9 months. The mantra is a professional behavior in the workplace. This is not a simulated setting, but a real work environment. We want the students to take on the persona of actually being part of the staff in our host business. We want them to start to act like, feel like, and be like a young worker as opposed to a high school student. Currently, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we have been doing internships in the community of Marshall. Our first internship which was from September 21st to December 4th. We went to the Merrick Inn Hotel doing dietary, maintenance, and housekeeping internships. The second internship, which is December 7th through March 12th, we will be going to Goodwill doing a retail internship. And we hope that we can maybe return to Avera if the COVID-19 pandemic goes away to conclude our school year and have our 3rd internship at Avera Marshall. The great part about being at Avera, great part about having Avera as our host business is having a multitude of internships under one roof. Avera Marshall Regional Medical Center has provided internship opportunities in clerical duties, dietary and food service, housekeeping, laundry, maintenance and groundskeeping, mail delivery, material distribution, medical records, medical, surgical, and OB hospital services, physical therapy, primary care clinic, program activities and long-term care, retail services, and same-day surgery. The classroom is staffed by a teacher and a skills trainer, provided through the partnership with the Southwest West Central Service Cooperative. Vocational Rehabilitation Services also partners in this innovative program. Together, we support the interns in reaching their long-term vocational goals and provide job development and placement services with advanced opportunities. This year, we have 7 interns that come from Dawson Boyd, Marshall, Montevideo, Worthington, and Pipestone. In the past 7 years, there have been 43 graduates from the Project Search program. After graduation, Vocational Rehabilitation Services works with the interns' home job placement providers to seek employment. Our goal is for 100% of our graduates to be competitively employed. We want to give Avera Marshall a huge thank you for being such a great host business for our Project Search program. Well, Sonia would be the first to tell you that when they first proposed Project Search with Avera Marshall, this was Avera's mission. This follows Avera's mission of giving back to the community. And so from the very beginning, when they decided to start the Project Search program in Southwest Minnesota, Avera was on board 100% from the beginning. Sonia would share with you that she presented this to all her managers at Avera, and every one of them said, yes, yes, we would love to be a host business for this program. And I will be the first to tell you, and you can ask any of our former interns, Avera staff has welcomed us 100% from day one. We feel welcome, we feel safe. They're always just very supportive of our program, of our interns, love watching them grow and develop. And I think if I ran into any of the staff right now, they would say they miss us. we're a big part of the hospital as well. And unfortunately, because of the pandemic, we aren't able to be there right now, but kudos to Avera. They have been such a wonderful host business.